Hello everyone, welcome back to CantoHousewife. Today we're going to make some easy and delicious silky scrambled egg with shrimp. This is one of my favorite Hong Kong recipes, and here's the ingredient list. We just need 3 items and it will serve 2 people. Alright, let's start preparing the ingredients. I recommend using medium-sized shrimp with the shell on, but you can use larger size shrimp and cut it down in half. My mom always says that pre-peeled shrimp tend to be overhandled and damaged during the process, and you will lose part of the original flavor. I have been following her recommendation since I started cooking, but feel free to use pre-peeled shrimp if it's more convenient for you. Peel the shrimp by placing your thumb under the shell and pull up. Remove the leg and shell until you reach the end. Gently squeeze the end to release the tail. We do not want any shell in this dish. I like to clean the shrimp with running water for a few times to remove any debris. After you're done peeling the shrimp, cut the shrimp about 1/4 inch deep along the outer edge until you see the vein, which is a black or blue line right in the middle. Remove it. The vein is not harmful to human body when you have consumed it, but is more of a personal preference and presentation. After you're done, wash the shrimp with water for a few times to clean out the debris. When you're done cleaning the shrimp, gently squeeze out any excess water and pat dry it with a paper towel. Once it's dry, marinate it with some salt, white pepper, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, and cornstarch. Gently mix it all together and let it marinate for at least 20 minutes. Next, we're going to chop some green onion. Remove the root and cut it into small pieces. Crack 5 eggs in and then add salt, chicken bouillon, and sesame oil. Mix them well together. Try to beat the egg right before you cook it. The air will make it more fluffy. Alright, now that everything is prepared, let's stir fry the dish. Add some oil in the pan or wok. When it's hot, add the shrimp. Continue to cook the shrimp until they turn orange and is about 95% cooked. Then pour the egg in. Wait about 10 seconds before you start folding the egg inward. Continue to fold the egg to cook each layer. It will take about 30 seconds. Turn the heat off and place it in the dish as soon as you can. Leaving the egg in the pan for too long will overcook the egg. This dish tastes very good with rice. The shrimp and egg is cooked to perfection and is really savory. The eggs is super fluffy and silky and it feels like it will melt in your mouth. Alright, this concludes our video. If you like our content, subscribe to the channel and follow us on social media. And as always, have a bobalicious day.